Hey everyone, it's Bill the RV Guy here at Leah's Vacation Center. Today I got for you an Alliance Avenue 32 RLS with full body paint. Come check it out with me. Thanks for joining me for this quick walk around of the Alliance Avenue 32 RLS fifth wheel with full body paint. We got it at a special price. Check it out on our website. Below the video, I'm going to post a link to the factory walk around, which shows you all the bells and whistles. Take a look at that. My buddy Ab over there at Alliance did a great job on it. We'll see you next time. I'm Bill the RV Guy at Leah's Vacation Center. Thanks.